হ্যালো ফ্রেন্ডস, মাই নেম ইজ অমৃতা মণ্ডল। এই ভিডিওটি যদি বাংলায় দেখতে চান তাহলে ওপরের আই বাটনে গিয়ে ক্লিক করুন, অথবা এই ভিডিওটির শেষে বাংলা ভিডিওটির লিংক দেওয়া আছে, সেখানে গিয়ে ক্লিক করতে পারেন। দিস আর সাম বেসিক ইনফরমেশনস অফ MS Excel. Let's start the video. Now in the font group under Home tab, you can choose from this option your particular font theme or font design. So it is basically used to design your particular data. It helps your data to give an additional designing look. So here you can see a lot of font theme designs you can see from here, and you can choose any of them which will be suitable for your particular data. Drag your mouse pointer that particular portion of your data which you want to select, or you can select any particular cell to apply any font theme or font design. So in this process we can set the font theme or font design in MS Excel. So that's it for today's video. If you have any doubt regarding this video, then comment me in the comment section below. Like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon button to get notifications of new videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon in my next video.